Hi guys, now we'll see Leetcode SQL question user activity for past 30 days first. So here we are given activity table. This table shows user activities for a social media website. Now it has various columns like what is the user ID, session ID, activity date and activity type. This activity type can be of open session, end session, scroll down or send message. Now we have to write a SQL query that will give daily active user count for a period of 30 days ending 27 July 2019. That means from 27th July 2019 we have to consider a window of 30 days, and for each day we have to tell what were the number of unique users. Like we'll see this example to understand that this in a better way. Like this is activity table. Here we have columns like user ID, session ID, activity date, activity type. Now, if we see like for date 20th July 2019, there were two active users, two unique active users like 1 and 2. Simply on for this date 21st July, also there were two unique active users, that is 2 and 3. And this 25th June fall outside of the 30-day window, so we'll ignore it. So now how we can approach this? So it's pretty simple. Since we are interested only in 30 days activity date, so first we'll filter based on the condition that all the resulting rows should be only of 30 days. After filtering that, we'll make group of rows based on activity date, and for each group we'll count number of like unique user id are there for each group. This we can do simply. First filtering we can do just by adding where condition, such that this activity date should lie in the 30-day window from 27th July 2019. And grouping we can simply do by doing group by activity day, and then for each group we can simply apply aggregate function count distinct of user id. Like we'll see the actual query to understand it in a better way. In the final output table we want day and active users column, so we have selected day and active users column from activity table. Then we have filtered the data so that we get only rows only corresponding to 30 days window from this. So we have simply done where activity day is between date sub from 27 July 2019 interval of 29 date and this 27 July 2019. Here we have taken 29-day window in date sub because we are considering this 27th July. So from 20, considering inclusive of 27 July, we want 30 days back. Also this between operator, in between operator, both these values are inclusive. Now after that we are simply doing group by day, and then we apply the aggregate function count distinct on user id. And finally, by running this query, we'll get this as our resultant output table.